Hi, I'm Michael King from Royalty Media Management, and in this gig, I will automate the email marketing campaigns for you and your business. Oftentimes, businesses will collect prospect emails, but then do nothing to capitalize on those prospects. Email marketing is a highly effective way of engaging with your customers over time, and with that engagement, developing a stronger relationship with those customers. This in turn leads to a higher customer retention rate, in other words, more repeat buyers, and an increasing loyalty to your brand. The best practices for campaign goals, flows, and email templates vary from industry to industry, which is why our team does extensive market research in order to determine which methods should be used for your business. If you're interested in working with us, please contact us on Fiverr about setting up a phone call so that we can learn more about you and your business and whether or not we would be a good fit for working with each other. Thank you for watching and take care.